Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the no beard filter on TikTok. So if you're looking for the effect here in the effect gallery, you will not get the effect because the effect is from Snapchat. So you have to install Snapchat, and once you install Snapchat, what you can do, website, link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and in Snapchat you will see this pop-up, unlock for 1 hour, tap there. Okay, I don't have beard, but once I select the filter you can see the after effect. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to record a video here with this effect on. Let me create a small video. Let's save it. Okay, let's move to TikTok. Okay, here is the upload button, tap there. Okay, and this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next, hit next. Okay, if you want to edit something, want to add some sound or add some sticker, you can do it here. And once you are done with all your editing, you can hit next and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this no beard filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.